In the MOTN of January 2021, 30% said Amit Shah. It came down in 24 August 21 poll, and he remains at 24%. Yogi Adityanath has gone up marginally from 21% in January of 2021 to 23%. He is, of course, in the public eye at the moment because of the UP election. But we also asked, who's best suited to lead the opposition? And here there's an interesting finding. In the MOTN January 2022, Mamata Banerjee is at 17%, Arvind Kejriwal is 16%, Rahul Gandhi is 11%. And I've been looking at back data. This is the first time that Mamata Banerjee is the #1 candidate seen best suited to lead opposition. Again, this may be an effect of a big victory just 6 months ago, the fact she's in the eye, and Arvind Kejriwal also picking up. Rahul Gandhi to that extent losing out. Normally, Rahul Gandhi has been seen as the best suited to lead opposition because of the strong presence of the Congress in the opposition.